What's up, guys? I don't do a lot of... I've never done a box opening, I don't think, but today I have Skullcandy Air Raid. I was just going to open it, but I figured this is kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Before the Air Raid, I had this Sound Mine. I've only had this for about a month, and it has, I guarantee you can get 12 hours of battery out of this. So if you want a small speaker that costs 20 bucks, it's a good deal. I like it. I would use it at work on a machine. I'd stick it in this little glasses case, emblem up, so I know where all the buttons are. But after a while, after a certain amount of time, it starts to sound like it's losing battery or something, or maybe connection. It gets a little grainy, but it's not really a problem. It goes away pretty quick. But I liked it, but I wanted something a little bit better. That's why I got this. And by a little bit better, this is 20 bucks. This is, I think retail is 130. I know. I got mine off Amazon. I paid 92 bucks. 92 bucks. 130 bucks to 92 bucks. Looked like they were, ooh, nice. And I know Skullcandy's, it's not high end, but it's not crap budget, so it's like right there in the middle. It's usually good stuff. I like them. Plus, you know, it's got an awesome emblem. That's heavy. The box has some weight on it, so I'd say the box weighs almost as much as this does. That's pretty crazy. That's not a soft box. You can store stuff in this type of box. That's kind of cool. Let's see. We get the Air Raid speaker. It's got your volume control. I assume that's play pause button. On off power button. I don't know if this has any juice. It looks like it does not. That sucks, because I'll have to pause this and or charge it a little bit. It's got a clip, so I can just put like a little strap through that and hang it on my machine at work. Might be annoying, but other guys have big ones like this too, so it's cool. Pry open. It says pry open in the rubber. So let's pry that open, and it looks like we have a charging port and an auxiliary port. Let's see, does it come with an auxiliary? Let's see if I can get this out. Also in the box, it comes with these nice little mints. They're not mints, don't eat those. Bring the Loud user guide. That's kind of cool. Oh, user guide. It's all empty. Air Raid tip notes. So it has this much information and this much for an Air Raid. That's all blank pages pretty much. So it looks like it just comes with a charging cable. So if you're having a regular MP3 player like this, you need to get one of these. Oh, cool! And it's not a it's not one of these, so you don't have to find another spot on your computer or buy a plug. You just plug it into the wall. I like that. This one required that. Oh, but it looks like it's the same as every Android device. So if you have one of those, like I do, you can plug it in there. It's charging. See the lights? It's charging. It's on! I'm using my phone to charge this, so I'm gonna have, or to film this, so I'm gonna have to use my old piece of crap phone that does have Bluetooth still. That's charging too, and we'll see how this sounds. If it works. Oh, okay, so it's
connected.
It's got enough battery in there.
Please charge device.
Well, you know, and it's dying now.
Please charge device.
But this is supposed to be 14 hours of battery. I squeezed 12 out of this. It says 10, so maybe more, maybe less. It's bigger, maybe exactly the same. Crap. Let's see. It didn't sound like the bass was too impactful. I think this one has a heavier bass, but we'll find something with more bass real quick. Alright, so something happened with my phone. It turned it off right in the middle. What did I drop? Or, yeah, it flipped over to take a picture. I did try it with this, the Samsung. This sounds way better than this. 20 bucks, 130, 92 on Amazon, maybe 100 bucks depending on the one you buy. It's got a cool little emblem right there. Waterproof, drop proof, water resistant, I should say. So given that, that would make be sort of why the sound doesn't sound as crisp as I'd like, but I think I get more use out of this than something that is portable but you can't risk it. So I think this will do. That's it. Later. You can change the volume in the bass in your phone. I just had this little MP3 player hooked up to it. It sounds better. Much better. At the same time, when you have the cord connected to it, push play. Let's see. Oh. So I think I just switched to my phone. And it switched right back to my MP3 player. So that's just pressing this button. It'll just change it. So I got the cord in. That was my phone. That sounded decent. That's my MP3 player with the cord. With the cord, you can also turn that stuff up and down without having to touch your MP3 player, which is really cool. Sweet. Have a good one.